In front of me is OnePlus 5T, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access security and lock screen. Then scroll down again and tap on face unlock. Following that, enter your current screen lock and tap on Add Face Data at the top. Then click on Next at the bottom right corner. Select Allow. Hit Next again and remember to keep your face in frame. Follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then hit Confirm. Manage all of those options, and when you finished, tap on Home button. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!